Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hi, so here we're told that a student is going to perform an antacid analysis by titration of the amount of HCl that was left, and we're told that the sodium hydroxide used in the experiment neutralized 0.000502 moles of hydrogen HCl. So she also found that there were 0.00781 moles of HCl available to be neutralized initially. That means that the antacid neutralized the initial amount 0.00781 mole minus the amount that had to be neutralized by the sodium hydroxide 0.00502. So the result is going to be oops 2.79 times 10 to the minus 3 mole of HCl. Now to transform this into grams, we're going to simply multiply by the molecular weight. The molecular weight of HCl is going to be 36.46 grams per mole. 36.46 grams per mole. So the mass of HCl that was neutralized is going to be equal to 2.79 times 10 to the minus 3 mole of HCl multiplied by the molecular weight, 36.46 grams of HCl, divided by each mole of HCl, giving us 0.1017 grams of HCl. In this case, rounding up to three significant digits, since all of the values provided in the problem contain three significant digits, the mass of HCl neutralized would be equal to 0.102 grams. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.